Adiekete na jore na ka UPDF subdivision nyezda boy kina ipupe Musa gom ka Atubokin Esikalet legente kwape Peter Lokidi Awenio anoda yari tunga unika emusungi yare Lokidi nyesida olapalodo ikanyitangon abuo loto tomana police ademune mudu anende jasi police ngunuka na kapeli moru police station osoda losa yari tungi unim ediopeta kesi eraide losi 1 loda itoronti nyese base paperita keberu Panada diekete nyezde bale besurumu kesi Lokidi leo chikwa pia jore idom Atubokin yesa Awenio na Ikaru kesa kanyape alokany otomano jera.
Count 1 of murder which involved the murder of Roger Peter. You have been sentenced to 65 years imprisonment. Count 2 of murder of Rochengero Piringore. You have been sentenced to 65 years imprisonment. Count 3 of murder of Angor Rochoriase. You have been sentenced to 65 years imprisonment. Count 4 of attempt to murder of Rongore Apakuru. You have been sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. Count 5 of attempt to murder of Akure Daniel. You have been sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. And these sentences are to be served concurrently. Concurrently.
Ida paran bangi piangin adiekete bona nyezda bubo Atubokin itunga iuni Awenio na Ikaru kesa kanyape angini dopia kesi anoda yare polonete mulongaroe kaisilikare yare nepe kangoli ngara kitilo ayuara ingicha kiroto manatutu bet apotuda luda olapalodo ikanyitare opelata yare tunga iwongono lu osenta lona rubela otemlongaroe ebe narai lu kesida Atubokin tosa ikamitunga leda tosi mudun.
After deliberations, this honorable court has come out with your sentences as follows. Convict 1 on count 1 of murder. This honorable court has sentenced you to 60 years imprisonment.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Kotido.